Hello and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Sareen and you're watching our news bulletin World News. Let's have a quick look at the top news from various places around the world. A Georgia appeals court paused a criminal case accusing Donald Trump of seeking to subvert the 2020 election while it considers the former president's bid to disqualify lead prosecutor Fani Willis, a court order showed. The order prevents the sprawling case against Trump and 14 co-defendants from moving towards trial, while Trump appeals a judge's ruling allowing Willis, the Fulton County District Attorney, to remain on the case. It is another indication that the case, one of four facing Trump as he seeks to unseat President Joe Biden and return to the White House, will not go to trial before the November 5th election. Each of the past 12 months ranked as the warmest on record in year-on-year comparison, the EU's Climate Change Monitoring Service said on Wednesday, as UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres called for urgent action to avert climate hell. The average global temperature for the 12 months to the end of May was 1.63 degrees Celsius above the pre-industrial average, making it the warmest such period since record-keeping began in 1940. This 12-month average does not mean that the world has yet surpassed the 1.5 degrees Celsius global warming threshold, which describes the temperature average over decades, beyond which scientists warn of more extreme and irreversible impact. 4 people died and more than 20 were injured when a passenger train collided with a freight train in the Czech city of Pardubice late on Wednesday, emergency and government officials said. At least 20 people suffered light injuries and another 3 were more seriously hurt in the crash, which occurred after 11 p.m. in Pardubice, along the country's main rail corridor from Prague to the east. According to the railway administration, the passenger train operated by RegioJet was traveling overnight from Prague to Košice in eastern Slovakia. Italy's antitrust regulator said on Thursday it had launched a probe into several pharmaceutical companies, including Novartis, for having potential restricted competition in the sale of a drug for eye condition. Samsung, BioApis, Biogen, Genentech and Novartis and some of their Italian, Dutch and UK units allegedly coordinated their commercial strategies to delay the launch in Italy of Biovace, a drug made with ranibizumab and developed and sold by Samsung BioApis, the watchdog said in a statement. NVIDIA's opens new tabbed rally to record highs on Wednesday, with the artificial intelligence chipmaker's valuation breaching the $3 trillion mark and overtaking Apple to become the world's second most valuable company. NVIDIA is preparing to split its stock 10-for-1 effective on June 7th, a move that could increase its appeal to individual investors. The surge in NVIDIA's market value above Apple marks a shift in Silicon Valley, which the company co-founded by Steve Jobs have dominated since its launch, the iPhone, in 2007. NVIDIA's stock rose 5.2% to end the day at $1,224.40, valuing the company at $3.012 trillion. Apple's market capitalization was last at $3.003 trillion after its stock climbed 0.8%. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.